Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do on the 2415-20, which is the Milwaukee M12 brushed right angle 3/8 drill. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing and it's going to be a specs, unboxing, information, measurements video on this older brushed M12 cordless 3/8 right angle drill. It's 2415-20. You get this for 89 bucks at Home Depot now. So the specs on the brush stuff is always on the back compared to on the side for the fuel stuff. So speed 0 to 800 RPMs, torque is 100 inch-pounds, clutch type 11 position electronic, chuck type 3/8 ratcheting. It does have a plastic chuck. Hey, that sticker actually came off. That's shocking. Most of the time you rip the crap out of the box. Alright, so I picked this up because it's going to be handy on a lot of Fords drilling out broken exhaust studs. That's why I picked this up. And it'll come in handy for other things also. And it would be nice if Milwaukee would have came out with this in a fuel model, but for 89 bucks, I'll just grab the brushed model. I have the brushed oscillating tool, M12 oscillating tool as well. You get your little booklet, informational booklet. You get, it looks like all of these 300 plus M12, M18, MX fuel pamphlets are coming in a lot of the tools now that are at Home Depot, even the brushed tools like this one. There is an entry in this. There's a full 4-tool entry ticket in this one inside the booklet. So I always try to reiterate this in the videos, guys. When you get these tools and you see one of these booklets, there is also a tool entry. Even the older booklets that do not show the M12 or the MX fuel stuff, the old booklets have the entry as well. Use the entries. You do not get the 10-tool entry ticket in M12 stuff, especially like I don't think any M12 stuff, to be honest, does have a plastic chuck. Which is probably the only tool that I have that does have a plastic chuck. No, a couple of my DeWalt Extreme tools do as well. I've never had necessarily any problems with them. I do like that it's got the lock in the center. So this is forward and reverse switch right here. In the middle is lock. You got your speed control. 11 is drill mode. So we're gonna measure it, and then we'll start. You know what? We'll take weights and then measurements. Make it a little easier for you guys. All right. So, bare tool, no batteries, 2 pounds, 0.9 ounces, with a compact 2. And I don't have a compact 3. If I had one, I would also use that as well. 2 pounds, 7.3 ounces. 2 pounds, 7.3 ounces. It is not touching the bench. It looks like it is. If I have it over here, you can see it's not touching the bench. So, I have a 3, an XC3, 4, and 6. So this is the 3. This one we can just stand it up. 2 pounds, 15.3 ounces with a 3. With a 4, this is a 4, it is 2 pounds, 15.2, so the 3 was a little heavier. I don't use the 3s very often, so that might be why. My 6s and my 4s are very well used batteries. 2 pounds, 15.9. So the 6 is definitely heavier than the 4 and the 3. Not by much. Does have a light. One of the lights is bad. There's 2 lights on here and only one's working. So that, you can tell, only one light is working. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take it back. You can tell this is brushed, because you can see the sparks right there. So that is no bueno, but not a big deal. So move this guy out the way. It's probably going to be a lot quicker than some of the other measurements and weights videos. So this guy is from front of the tool to the back. The tip of the battery compartment is 11 inches with a compact 2. It is 11 inches and 3/4 of an inch with a XC 3 amp hour, and the 3, 4, and 6 are probably all going to be identical. So it is 12 inches and 3/4 of an inch with a 3. With a 4, 12, 3/4 of an inch. And with the 6, it is 12 3/4 of an inch, so that's pretty easy there. So with regular drill bits, you're not going to be able to go very high. So I'm just going to demonstrate with these Warrior bits right here. I do have some Milwaukee bits as well that I'll show you. So with a 3/8 chuck, let's see. Remember what the, okay. So a 13/32 is too big. Okay, so it looks like the biggest drill bit that you're going to be able to put in with a smooth shank drill bit that you're going to be able to put into this drill is a 25/64, where it'll actually lock. And don't mind the length. You can get short drill bits, long drill bits, depending on your application. It is spinning true. It's very straight. That's on speed high, and this is low speed. It does sound like there's some bearing issue. Maybe this one was used at one point, something. I don't know if you can hear that. Might have to take this one back. To be honest with you, and it does have the indicator right here. Low speed, other than it's soft starting, doesn't seem different. So that kind of is an issue. So there is something wrong with this tool. Watch, I'll show you guys. And it could change. It might be that I need to put pressure on the tool for the actual speeds to be different. I don't know, but it is clearly, I can clearly tell that it's not changing between the speeds. Watch, it's on 1 right now. Turn it on, and I'll change it all the way across. The sound doesn't change at all. You know, and anybody that has this tool, you know, go ahead and let me know. Maybe it's possibly, you know, you guys may know more. I just got the tool. The bearing inside the chuck doesn't sound very good, or the bearing that's attaching to the motor doesn't sound very good to me. It does have a broken LED light. There's 2 LED lights on this guy. When you guys see this video, let me know. To me, it looks like there's supposed to be 2 of them. Only one's lighting up. But there's an LED light right here on this side. So, it's not a good start for me grabbing a brush tool, another brush tool, seeing that the light is broken. One of the LED lights isn't functioning, and it's not switching between speeds. Let me know if you guys have the same issue, or, you know, because if any of you guys have had it a while, maybe it needs to be under load in order for these drill speeds to change. But just to show you guys, so the biggest bit you're going to be able to put in here with a 3/8 chuck is going to be a 25/64 bit with a smooth shank. But if you do go to the 1/4" quick insert bits like Milwaukee has, you can go bigger. For an example, I'll bring this kit in here. So this is a 1/2" drill bit right here. But it's because it's got a 1/4" shank, I'll be able to put it in here. Because the shank is smaller. So I can actually go up in bigger bits. Like this 1/2" instead of that 15/64, something like that I just stated. Now I can go up to a 1/2" as long as I use a bit that's got a quick 1/4" hex insert style shank. There's a lot of wobble in this bit. This bit has been used. I don't know if it's the bit. The chuck is kind of wobbling a little bit too. But when I had the other bits inserted, it did not wobble on those, and those are some just Harbor Freight cheapies. So that could be the difference. And, you know, the Harbor Freight cheapies should wobble more than the Milwaukees, in my opinion. 25/64, I apologize. That's the correct size. So if I tighten this one back in here, 25/64, it actually doesn't wobble as much. It barely does. So just wanted to do a quick video on it, quick unboxing, specs video with information. I do appreciate you guys sticking around for the video. This is going to be just a quick video. I do still have pack out radio, this Makita 36 volt LXT saw, and some of these SDS hammer accessories for this SDS sitting here. Already did the grinder video, and then we got some other things to do videos on for you guys. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to put them down below. Let me know what you guys think of this. If you decided to buy one, if you have one, how do you like it? Does it work well for you? Have you had the same issue with the speed control? Do you have to have the drill under load for the speed control to work? I'm not sure. But it would be nice to know. If you had any issues with the chuck, has it worked well for you? Does it actually have 2 LEDs? Because to me it looks like on right here, it looks like there's 2 physical LEDs. Did it go out, you know, as soon as you got it? You know, we only got the second LED for a couple uses or something. Let me know down below. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also Tools link down below. All of these links, I do get a commission when you use them. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Also Tool links, you'll get 10% off at Also Tools, as well as I'll get a kickback of 10% off my next order from Also Tools. So when you do use it, it does save me money when I order from them. Go check them out if you need anything from them. Go ahead and use the link. Appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!